Hey guys, thanks for tuning into this week's video. This is Caleb from ModInfinite, and today we're going to be showing you an install on one of our top selling kits, and it is the Aero chassis mount front splitter for the 08-14 Subaru WRX STi. Today we have my good friend Mark's STi hatchback that we're going to be showing you the install on. Alright guys, so in the box you'll be getting your two splitter end plates, your hardware kit, your side support brackets, your crash bar main brackets. These are the ones that are going to be sandwiched between your crash bar and your frame. Your crash bar bottom brackets, these mount to your crash bar main brackets here and are height adjustable. The center support bracket, which is also height adjustable, and you'll be getting your splitter leading edge guard. And you'll also get two stickers. Last but not least, we have our splitter. It's made out of an extremely durable wood core laminated with ABS plastic, which is important because this material is very impact resistant and can take a lot of abuse. Now we're going to show you the tools you're going to need. So you're going to want a 14mm wrench, a 10mm wrench, some extensions, a socket wrench, a size 10, 12, 14 socket, a flathead for those annoying pop clips, a Phillips, an Allen key, or in this case an Allen screwdriver, some clippers, a 3/8 drill bit, a drill, and a rubber mallet. Now let's get on with the install. Now that we have the bumper off, we're going to take off 8 of these 12mm bolts to take the crash bar off. We're going to be removing some of these 12mm bolts and some of these pop clips holding this plastic under tray on. Next, we're going to remove this bracket by taking out this bolt with a 10mm socket. Then you're going to get the driver's side bracket, and you're going to want to have a friend help you hold up the crash bar and kind of tilt it up like so, and slip this under and line it up with the bolts. Now with the provided hardware, we're going to install all the bottom bracket pieces. And the fender liner here, you're going to either have to remove the fender liner or trim it. And remember, these are height adjustable, so adjust accordingly. Alright, next we're going to take off this 10mm bolt and slip in our side bracket. Now that we've gotten everything bolted up loosely, we're going to put the bumper back on and adjust the height. If you don't have a lift at home, it's okay. You can use measuring tape and adjust accordingly. Alright, so now we have the height set. As you can see, there's no gap between the lip and the splitter, which is really nice. Now that it's all set, we're going to go ahead and take off the bumper and tighten all the bolts so it's fixed and it doesn't move. Now what we're going to do is drill out the hole for the side bracket here. The holes don't come drilled into the splitter because the hole placement will change based on the height of the splitter. So what we're going to do is we're going to mark here and drill a hole there to mount the side bracket. Alright, so now we're putting the front leading edge, edging on. What you want to do is you want to kind of hold it at an angle like this, and then you want to push in hard with your palm. What you can also do is use a mallet to help you, and it speeds up the process. So guys, we're done with the install. As you can see, it looks absolutely amazing. Mark's car is dumped on the ground. It's really aggressive and changes the whole front end of the car. If you want to follow more of his build, there will be a link to his Instagram down below. If you guys enjoyed what you saw, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to follow us on all our social medias on Facebook and Instagram. The links will be in the description down below. Thanks for watching.